Hello, here's a good practice for Math Olympiad. We have two equations, a plus b plus c equal to 0, and 1 over a minus 1 plus 1 over b minus 3 plus 1 over c minus 5 equal to 0. Utilize mathematic operation to find the value of quantity a minus 1 square plus quantity b minus 3 square plus quantity c minus 5 square. Can you figure out? Pause the video, find the answer when you are ready. Keep watching the video to see the interesting result. From the given equations, search the relationship among them. We redefined a minus 1 equal to x, b minus 3 equal to y, and c minus 5 equal to z. Substitute this value into a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then simplify it. We have new equations x plus y plus z equal to minus 9. Substitute this value into second equations. It becomes 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 0. The question becomes find the value of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. The redefined equations as the list. We multiply x, y, z into 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 0. The equations as yz plus xz plus xy equal to 0. After that, square the equation x plus y plus z. Then we get bracket x plus y plus z bracket square equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 multiplies brackets yz plus xz plus xy bracket. Substitute x plus y plus z by minus 9 and yz plus xz plus xy by 0. We get 81 equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So, go back to the question. Now we have 81 equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Substitute x by a minus 1, y by b minus 3, z by c minus 5. The equation as quantity a minus 1 square plus quantity b minus 3 square plus quantity c minus 5 square equal to 81. That's the answer. Did you find it? Hope you to enjoy this video. Thank you.